Hey guys, Instagram rolls features slowly. Sometimes Saudi users or Indian users or Pakistani users get features months later. But here's how to force updates. So go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, okay, and search for Instagram. Alright. Press Instagram and make sure you update it to the latest version, okay? And restart the app completely. Just close the window and reopen it again, okay? Or swipe away in some cases, like this. Whoop. Basically, that's it. Bonus steps: just update iOS. Instagram pushes features based on system version, okay? Log out, log back in. Switch from business, creator, personal account, and back, right? So you can force the update. If that didn't work, just delete Instagram completely and re-download it. That will force Instagram to show you the latest version. Sometimes that kickstarts new features instantly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.